What's up, guys? So today we have our HP printer as well as our instant ink. I'm going to be doing a review on this. As of right now, my printer, it does need ink. So let's go ahead and take a look at. I'm going to make a copy. This one is going to be in color. So let's see how I print out. I have like a demo or a sample sheet in there, and it should print. So let's see how I print out with the ink that's in there already. After we finish printing out this paper, I'm gonna also go ahead and put the ink in the printer to see if the print comes out differently. Alright, so it did print, but it's not dark enough. Looks like it does need some more ink, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the ink and give it another try on color. So let's go ahead and replace the ink. Instant ink, let's go ahead and open that. Comes with a box, and one for black and one for color. They have tricolor in there. So we're gonna take these out. And this is like a ship back label in case it doesn't be to your liking. You can ship it back, or if anything goes wrong. It's a little opening right here on the side. We're gonna open that up. It's not right where this is where the paper goes, but it's a loop right here. Open it like that. There it goes. Once you open it, the cardigans, it'll pull to the left like it did just now. All right, so I'm gonna open this and open this one. Flip it up, flip that one up, and that's how you take them out. The printer, it does stay open on its own, so I'm gonna take these, put it to the side. This one is the tricolor. The tricolor is usually the purple one. So once you open it, it does have a little tab right there. You just pull that back. And you have to have 63. So let's see if it fits. Okay. That one looks a little bit bigger. Looks a lot bigger. I hope it works. Here go the other one, the black one. As you notice, pull it back. See if it fits. All right, they're in there. Now let's close our printer and give it a go. Pull this tray out. This is the tray paper. I do have a lot of paper in here, so I really don't need any paper. Let's go ahead and close that back. Yeah, it prints. This says printing the aligned paper. So it's printing right now. And again, guys, this is with instant ink. I decided to go ahead and try their subscription. If you guys think this video was helpful, please like this video, share this video, as well as subscribe to my channel. Alright. So this one printed out really good for it to be color in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the demo sheet one more time. Alright, so it's Xing me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and make that copy again. Alright, so this was before. As you can see, it's pretty gray. But this is before I switched out the ink and used instant ink. So let's see how it prints out now. Alright, and this one is very much more detailed. This one is very much more detailed than this one. So once again, guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I wanted to come to you guys today and show you how to put in ink for the 5255 HP printer. So thank you for watching.